started off by parting the front of my hair. It doesn't matter how you part it for real, for real. Like, you just gotta do it based off what side you want your swoop to be on. So now I'm taking that hair for the swoop and putting it in a little bantu knot to get it out the way. And I'm going to start with the back of my hair, which goes up into the bun. I'm just wetting it and putting in my Garnier leave-in conditioning cream to kind of detangle it so it'll be easier to work with. So as you guys can see, I'm trying to detangle my hair the best of my ability right now. And I'm going to now use my Curls Unleashed curl jelly and put that on the hair that I'm detangling to smooth it out some. And I'm going to continue brushing out those bumps so I can try to get it as smooth as can be. Now that I got it into a ponytail, it comes the hard part. So I wanted to start with the swoop, but I changed my mind and decided to start with my bun, which ends up getting messed up, by the way. Just a disclaimer. So I'm just going to put in a little messy bun because it's going to get messed up. And then I'm going to start working on the swoop. And for the swoop, the products I use is the leave-in conditioning cream and Gorilla Style, along with some curl jelly. So now I'm just wetting the hair that I'm using for my swoop, and I'm drenching it as much as I could be. Then I'm going to detangle it out with my brush and put on some of the curl boosting jelly by Curls Unleashed. I have the products linked in the bottom. Not that you have to use these products. You'll be good with some gel and water, honestly. But I use extra products because nothing was working out for me. Now I got my soft brush and I am just trying to flatten that out as much as I can. And I'm also, I don't know if I included the clip, but I added some of the Gorilla Snot. I didn't add a lot because I didn't want it to stick to my forehead, because Gorilla Snot honestly will have your stuff sticking all day. And honestly, you could see my face. I was so confused about how I was doing this swoop. But I bobby pinned it back. And then I started working on my bun because I got frustrated and needed to think about what I wanted to do. And I saw my bun was getting a mess. So I just fixed my bun by adding some bobby pins. And then I put a hair tie on top so it could be really tight. So as you'll see, after I finished my bun, I figured out how to finish up my swoop. I added that little extra piece that was sticking up that was irritating the hell out of me, and twisted around my bun, and then I bobby pinned it in. Now I'm using a rat tail comb and just combing down that swoop and adding some extra curl boosting jelly so it could stay. And now I'm doing my edges, and I don't include me doing my edges really. So if you guys want a video on that, I can make a video on how I do my edges with different styles. Now I'm grabbing my beauty supply gel that I got from the beauty supply store, obviously, and just slicking up some in the back. Even though it's a water-based gel, I don't know why I would use it because that makes my hair curl up. I put some of that on the back, and this is pretty much the final look. Hope you guys liked the video.